Hello guys, in previous video we have already talked about how to create a pointer variable which will point to a two-dimensional array. So in this video we will look how can we access the two-dimensional array using the pointers. So I have created a two-dimensional array which has two rows and three columns, and these are the values. And then I have created a pointer variable, and we should also specify total number of columns in the array. So this is a pointer variable which will point out to this two-dimensional array. First, I will print all the addresses where this array is stored in the memory. Then we will look for some outputs. So I iterate to this two-dimensional arrays, two rows and three columns. Then I print all the address of each element in this array. So now look for the output. Okay, so look, at address 516 first element is stored, then at 520 second, then third, then fourth, then fifth and sixth, total 6 elements, and they are stored at this location in the main memory. Now we will look how can we access them. So this is pretty simple. Like a array, we can also access the pointer variable. So first we look some output. If I print this, so look what it gave to us. Int. So it is giving me the address of the first row, first element. It is giving us the address of the first row's first element. So how can we access the first element? Just simply like we access the array. So if I print like this, it will give me the value of first element. Okay, also actually it is giving us the address of first element, so I can also access like this, dereference this address and look for the output. We have dereferenced the address, so output is the same. We can also write like this, and if I want to print the next element, then just add 1, so it will increment 4 bytes. So the address of the next element will be here, and then we dereference it, so it will give second element. So now actually print the whole array. So just like a normal array, we can access also the pointer. So look for the output. It is giving us the whole two-dimensional array. And the other style, how can we print like this? Okay, so it is giving me 2, 2 to 2 and 5, 5, 5. Why it is giving me 2 to 2 and 5, 5, 5? Because each time I am accessing the first element from this row. So suppose the value of I is 0, then at the 0th row's first element. Okay, so actually if we want to access the full array, it should be j. So look for the output. This is the whole output, because each time address of the row plus the column number, then we dereference the address. So this is general how can we access the two-dimensional array. Normally you can use the simple way like this, how we access the array. This is pretty simple. So this is just a small video about accessing the two-dimensional array here. That's it for this video.